Welcome to the SymPlay software. It's a really dynamic program that enables you to create a variety of interesting, beautiful, and complex images. In this video, I will demonstrate the basic tools and functions of the program to get you started. Once you've opened the SymPlay software, you can click on the SymPlay guide for some extra instructions. Refer back to this if ever you need help. Now I'm going to show you how to locate a picture file. First, you click here where it says Locate a Picture File. Then you choose an image from the SymPlay Images folder. I'm going to choose the owl.jpg. Click Open to open the image, and then click Display Image in order to display the image in the viewer. Next, I'd like to show you the zoom tool, located here. If I want to change the size of my image, I click to where it says 100%, and I can reduce my image to any size I'd like. I'm going to reduce this image to 0.50 or 50%. The zoom tool will tell you exactly what you've changed your image to. The position tool is located here. If I'd like to change the position of my picture in the viewing window, I take my cursor to the circle in the middle of the position tool, click and drag to where I'd like the image in the viewing window. If I want to reset the size of the image, all I need to do is go up here to where it says Reset Image and click. Then, if I'd like to change the position back to the original position, I can go back and click the Reset button at the bottom here. To rotate an image, you use the rotation tool. You click your cursor over the 0 at the top of the dial and then move it to wherever you'd like, in this case 90. I'm going to move 90 degrees counterclockwise. There you can see that the image is moving as well. Now I'm going to continue moving my dial to 180. There are some really interesting things that you can do by using the Modes tool with the image. I'm going to try first by doing a reflection. This shows a reflection of the owl many times. Now I'll change that to a translation here. When you've done a translation and a reflection, why not move back and forth between the two of them to see what that's like? The clip mode takes the pixels that are at the edge of the image and drags them out to the edge of the viewing window. The free mode allows you to separate the image from the background. Then you can use any of the other tools to change the way the image looks. To find out where your cursor is, you can use the mouse position tool, which is located here. Whenever you move your cursor on the screen, the numbers here will change. They'll show you the x-axis and the y-axis. The x-axis is located horizontally along the bottom of the viewer window. If I click on the X zoom, my picture will change and stretch. You can play around with this to see how many different versions you might get. And the y-coordinates are located here on the vertical plane. You can also change the image using the Y zoom, like so. Again, the more I play with it, the more I can stretch it. To allow the image to rotate automatically, you use the Auto Rotate tool here. Just click on it. You can make the dial go faster or slower. It's slowest when it's at the center of this plane. You can get the steps to making a movie by clicking on this button here. It gives you step-by-step information. You can record a movie by clicking the Record button. Enter in the title of your movie here in the Save As window. I'm going to call this SymPlay. Then press Save. As soon as you hit Save, your movie will begin recording. When you want to stop your movie, just hit the Stop button. Once you've created your film, you'll want to watch it, so go to QuickTime on your computer, probably in your Applications folder, and open it up. When it opens, go to File, and Open. Find your movie, and then press Play.